viewers, and welcome to my channel Yearn to Learn. Today's video is a presentation of difference between two beautiful literary devices, metaphor and simile. So let's wear our learning hats and understand what is the difference between a metaphor and a simile. What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a direct comparison of a person, object or event. One subject is implied to be another. Now what does it mean? It means that in metaphor, when we compare, it is not important that there is some sort of similarity between two things, but yes, there is some common ground of comparison and that is directly implied. And unlike similes, it does not use the words like, as or like. Let's take some common examples to understand metaphor better. For example, my mother is an angel. Now here when you say that, of course the literal meaning is not there. There are no feathers. But yes, when we say our mothers are angels, we mean to say that they are like angels, that there is some common ground, that they are compassionate, affectionate and good-hearted like angels in the heaven. Let's take second example. My personal computer is an old dinosaur. Now what does it mean? Of course, a computer is not a dinosaur. Then what is the common ground here? That this personal computer is so old that it is of that time when dinosaurs used to exist, because dinosaurs are extinct animals. So we are making this comparison to directly imply that this computer is very, very old. So this is how we are referring to this PC as an old dinosaur. Let's take more examples from literature now. Our third example is from the play As You Like It by William Shakespeare. It is a very common line that all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. All the world is a stage, that world is a stage. पूरी दुनिया एक स्टेज की तरह है, but like word is not used here. So again direct implication is there, and men and women are players. So as if this world is a stage and men and women are playing their roles as artists. So this is what is implied here. So this is a metaphor. Our fourth example is also from literature. Play Romeo and Juliet, again by William Shakespeare. This is the scene where Romeo says, "But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? It is the east and Juliet is the sun." So Juliet is implied to be sun, where the meaning could be that as a sun brings brightness with it, warmth with it, a new hope with it, a new day with it, Juliet brings a new hope for Romeo. Or as other planets revolve around the sun, Romeo's world revolve around Juliet. So this is how Juliet is implied to be sun. Let's move on to simile now. What is a simile? Simile makes comparison between two unrelated things that could be person, object or event. It is marked by the use of words like or as. Now the basic difference here is comparison is there in metaphors also and in similes also. Comparison is there, but we use that comparison more vividly by using the words like or as. So we are comparing on a particular quality when we are comparing two things. Let's take examples. Example 1 is, a mother is like a flower, each one beautiful and unique. So as flowers are beautiful inside out, they are fragrant, they are unique. Similarly, mothers are like that. So on that quality of beautiful and unique, we are comparing mothers as flowers. So this term like indicates that this is a simile and not a metaphor. If it would have been a metaphor, it would be a mother is a flower, right? Let's move on to example 2. Last night he slept like a log. Now log of wood is an inanimate object. It cannot move by itself. So sleeping like a log, it's a very popular idiom also. So it means that he slept very well, he had a sound sleep, he was not disturbed by any sort of noises. So last night he slept like a log means he slept calmly. Our third example is from literature. Poem I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud by William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills. So here I means the poet is comparing his loneliness with a cloud. That cloud which on a fair day is very high, floating high over the valleys and hills, and it is not just alone but lonely also. There is no one else, as if it is a mismatch on a fair and bright day's landscape. So the poet is also expressing the loneliness as if it was a lonely cloud. So this loneliness is compared with an aloof cloud. Our fourth example is from poem My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. I saw my mother beside me, doors open mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain. Now here the face of mother, Kamla Das's mother at 66, who is very old, is compared like a the expression was like that of a corpse, a dead body. Now why here the expression was like that? Because the mother was taking a nap in the car, and while she was sleeping her face was pale, so it looked as if it was very old and ashen like that of a corpse. So that particular expression where she looked very weak, frail, and the mouth was open while she was sleeping, that's this particular situation of a mother. This expression is compared as a corpse. So this is a simile. Now I'll make this difference clear once again. So what's the difference between metaphor and simile? Metaphor, in this the subject is said to be another, but in a simile the subject is as or like the other. A metaphor paints a sort of picture in the mind of the reader or listener by direct comparison, but a simile, it also paints a picture in the mind of the reader or listener, but it may also give a vivid example by making a comparison, because in this we are very particularly mentioning that what is the base of comparison. So simile can be said to be a type of metaphor, which means all similes are metaphors, but not all metaphors are similes. Let's take same examples to make it very clear to you. So I'm taking general examples here. He was a lion in the battlefield. Now this is a metaphor because we are referring to a boy as a lion in the battlefield, कि लड़ाई में वो शेर था. Now the qualities could be up to the reader's perception, of course, clever, smart, fierce like a lion. But in simile we are particularly mentioning he fought like a lion in the battlefield. So this word like has come, so his quality of fighting is being compared to a lion. In the second example, life is a box of chocolates. And if we say simile, then life is like a box of chocolates. Now what is the difference? Now life is a box of chocolates again is open to perception of the reader or listener. It could be life is very sweet because it's a box of chocolates. Life is it's up to you. It's box of chocolates, so maybe it's a box of happiness. If you God forbid, if you're diabetic, then it's not good for you. So it's up to your perception. But when we say life is like a box of chocolates is a simile, it is a very popular one which continues to be that it is full of surprises. You never know which one is going to come next. So it is like life is full of surprises. So simile is giving you a clear meaning here, that on what basis you are comparing life to a box of chocolates. Now it is not that every line, every statement, every sentence we can have metaphor as well as simile. I am taking one example here which is not correct to be used as a metaphor and has to be a simile only. For example, the room is garbage. Now, what do you mean by room is garbage? It is not making a clear sense and not giving any idea of comparison also. So it would be better to compare it specifically. For example, the room smells like garbage. So here we are talking about the smell that is coming from this room is like garbage. So that's why it is apt to use it like a simile, not as a metaphor. I hope the difference and the meaning of metaphor and simile would be clear, and if still something pops up in your head, please mention it in the comment box below. If you have more examples of metaphor and similes, maybe from literature, maybe from real life, feel free to mention it in the comment box. I'll try to revert to each of the comment. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Yearn to learn. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.